So what are the differences and similarities between these drugs, and what can that tell us about ADHD? Well, Ritalin was one of the first generation drugs that was prescribed for ADHD in order to deal head on with this dopamine hypothesis, this idea that in ADHD, dopamine levels are too low. Nowadays, Adderall is the more typically prescribed drug for ADHD. That has to do with some of the so-called pharmacokinetics, the rate at which those drugs enter the system and how long they last in the system. So for instance, Ritalin was a drug that was packaged into various time-release formulas, whereas initially Adderall was only released in a form that had a very short life, so meaning that it wasn't in the bloodstream very long and didn't affect the brain for very long.